Keeping your Tata Harrier's infotainment system up to date ensures optimal performance, access to the latest features, and crucial security patches. There are primarily two methods: over-the-air OTA updates and USB updates. OTA updates are wireless downloads using your car's cellular connection. USB updates involve downloading files onto a USB drive and installing them manually. Regular updates, pushed every 3 to 6 months, are now mandatory for safety and enhanced features. We'll also cover updating maps and integrating Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. As of 2024 facelifts, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are supported, offering seamless smartphone mirroring. For OTA updates, first register your vehicle through the Tata app. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. The system will automatically prompt you when an update is available. For USB updates, download the necessary files from the Tata Motors website. Format your USB drive to FAT32. Then plug the drive into your Harrier and follow the on-screen instructions. Map updates are streamlined through Here Maps, providing real-time traffic integration for accurate navigation. For Android Auto and Apple CarPlay integration, ensure Android 10 or iOS 12 and above. Connect via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi Direct, enable mirroring in your phone settings, and follow the prompts on the infotainment screen. Future trends include phasing out USB updates in favor of OTA by 2027, with maps evolving to AR-based navigation for enhanced user experience.